Was the mission strange things are happening? Who is she? Who is she? This innocent space and darkness takes the flight. Who is she? Who is she?
Oluoma. Who are you? Who is there? Nobody comes to look for me in this compound. Except my good friend Didi. And her voice is not this clear and organized, so... Who are you?
Oluoma, it's me, Didi. Oluoma.
Didi? Didi?
Yes, Oluoma.
How come? You sound different. Is this a trick?
I think I just had a miracle.
A miracle?
Yes.
How?
As I step into your compound, I heard the sound of a drum. Oluoma, I've not heard such sound in my life. Immediately, I felt something enter me. I am cured of my imbecility.
You're what?
Oluoma,
Oluoma, you're well now?
my mother will see this. I will see you later. Wait, go! Didi, wait! Go!
Asante sana
Ofunwa. Which one? Ofunwa. You have just succeeded in proving to me that you are the true son of your father.
What do you mean by that? No, what do you mean by that? That my father was also a cheap thief like you and I?
No, I wasn't trying to say that.
Then what now?
I was only trying to commend you.
I beg, don't commend me for such, please.
Good job. Do you know, if you continue like this, you will be very, very rich. You are really good at this,
I want to go and see somebody.
Which somebody?
Somebody now.
Come, have you forgotten tomorrow is Eke? We need to plan on how we sell off all these goods before you go and see whoever you want to see.
Let me go and see the person first now. Wait.
Don't go and squander all those money.
Hey! What's wrong with you? Mama, when I said when I said I wanted you to call villages, I mean you should call villages. Not just 2 women. How am I going to do 2 women?
Sorry, my daughter. I thought it's one of your jokes, as usual.
Jokes?
Please.
You think in America one can joke? You can joke. If you joke, you go to jail. Because you can joke without a license.
Eh?
I don't really like what you did. I even drove through the square expecting to see people. I saw no one there, Mama.
Sorry.
I was expecting a crowd to welcome me home.
Sorry, my dear. It's not going to happen next time, please.
You mean next time? You think it's easy to get a visa, to buy a ticket, travel to America and come back?
Sorry.
Don't appreciate this, Mama.
Sorry, my
I
dear.
don't like it.
Sorry,
no more.
sorry. Oh, Biko. My daughter.
Oh, was it nice you're living there?
Your friend.
What's up? That's you? That's you? That's you? What's up, girl?
I abhor praises when it's not necessary.
Oh, it is necessary, my friend. It is necessary.
Necessaryism is an extreme form of determinism that can deny all contingency and in which all phenomena are wholly necessitated by their antecedents in accordance with immutable casual law.
Oh my goodness. Hey, I got this for you. I just came back from the United States of America, Ohio, USA. So I got this for you. That's a break from
Solom Kenechukwu.
Hey. From now on, it's Eskamani SK. I just came back from the United States of America. So I know answer no Solom Kenechukwu anymore. So you and everyone in this village is still SK.
I have no business with your nomenclature. I have a question for you.
Shoot.
Why are you manifesting in a corporal form?
What do you mean I'm manifesting in corporal form? I just dress the way they dress in the United States of America. I'm a star now, girl. So I'ma keep dressing this way. This is how they dress, higher US of A. So as a dressing, ain't no corporate thing about the dressing.
You are a surreptitious human fellow.
What? You call me surreptitious? Mama, that box I came back with, I got a gun inside it. I'ma use on this crazy bitch.
Please.
No, I'ma use that gun on her.
I vanish at my discretion.
You better.
Sonario, Obrigado for the brand.
Obrigado to you, Tinaro to you.
Father, I have sinned. It's exactly 16 hours, 20 minutes, and I think about 40 seconds since I came for confession. You see, I have stolen what doesn't belong to me. I have lied severally, and I also raped a girl, even though she told me that she liked it later. Now, Father, there's this other girl I just met. I really like this girl. I really, really like her. And she likes me too. So we agreed that we will meet later today. So, Father, to cut the long story short, the main reason I am here is for you, Father, to help me beg God in advance. Pray for me, beg God very well in advance so He can forgive me. In case I sleep with this girl or rape her again, so God should just try and forgive me in advance for anything that might happen. Come with me. Father, it was a mistake.
Sapasa peni sini yama. Wasama, the sini yama. Haijale kurabo, uzale asante sana.
So what benefit does one who approach the sacrament?
Those who approach the sacrament of penance obtain pardon from God's mercy for sins and offenses committed against Him, and are also reconciled with the Church for wounds against them, which by example, by charity, by prayer, labors for their conversion.
Okay. Now I want you to slowly say the act of contrition.
You mean
Yeah, that is it. I want you to say it slowly, as if that is the very last time you're going to say that before you die.
Father, that's not why I'm here now. Which one is dead again? No, which one is dead, Father?
You're not going to die, okay? No, when you get home, I want you to say the act of contrition with full concentration and passion. Then pray the decades, 15 decades of the rosary. And for your charity, look for an old man or woman in your community and help him or her out with their farm work. That will be your penance.
Better. Better, not death. Better. I'll do that one, Father. No problem. Thank you.
In the name of the Father, of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. The peace of the Lord be with you.
And also with you, Father.
Sapasa peni sini yama. Wasama, the sini yama. Haijale kurabo.
Mama, don't worry. You'll be fine. Nothing will happen to you. Okay? Just keep drinking the herbs. It will work.
Oluoma.
Ne. I have taken this herb for weeks now. Can't you see it's not working? Oluoma, come. Stop crying. My time is up.
I know.
You have tried your best, my daughter. You have tried your best.
I know.
You are a very good girl. You are a blessing to this family. You are a blessing. Just try your best. Be the good girl I and your mother want you to be. And always remember that after rain comes sunshine.
Please, don't say that, please. Nothing will happen to you. Mama, don't leave me, oh. You are all I have in this world. Now you are my eyes. And you are my strength. If you leave me and die, then life itself has become useless to me.
Dana.
No.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. Give me water to drink.
No, I will not bring you water to drink. Because I know how that ends. Either you die before I bring the water, or you will still drink the water and die. Please, you'll be fine.
Dana.
I have to get something.
Who is she? Was the mission? Strange things are happening. Who is she? Who is she? In the shadows.
Mama, I want to check something under the tree. I'll be back now.
Udala.
Ne.
Udala.
Ne.
I guess this is what you are looking for.
Ne, you don't know what I'm looking for. I said I will join you soon.
The drum.
The drum? Yes. How did you know about the drum? I didn't tell you about the drum. Ne, give me the drum. Give me the drum because your life depends on it.
No. Come, Udala. Udala. Your life depends on this drum. It will make you. It will also kill you. I don't want you to eat it from me.
No, but why?
You can't eat it from me. Because it will make you or it will kill you. Especially when you do it on your own blood.
Darkness takes the flight. Who is she? Was the mission?
Odalam,
Ne.
you must be very weak and hungry. I made okwa for you. Let me go and bring you.
No, wait. I don't understand what happened yesterday. You were sick and at the point of death. We had an argument about the drum. I snatched it from you. I hit it. And nothing happened. The next thing I knew, I found myself in bed. That's all I could remember. And now here you are. Nee. So it worked?
Yes, it worked.
If you had died, I would have killed myself.
Odalam, you nearly killed yourself yesterday night, trying to kill me. That drum would have killed you.
How? I don't understand.
That's a topic for another day. Let me go and bring your food.
Ubanuela, Adamu,
Come, do fast so that we finish this thing. Let me even ask yourself, what type of Reverend Father would tell a sinner to come and clear this whole place because he committed a sin and because of penance?
What do you know about sacrament of penance?
Got you. Have you forgotten? Fine. Sacrament of penance is one of the 7 sacraments of the Catholic Church and the sacred mysteries of Eastern Christianity, in which the faithful obtain mercies for sin committed against God and neighbor that reconcile with the community of the church.
Ha! What? My criminal friend.
My rapist friend.
My criminal
My
friend.
rapist friend.
I'm surprised, though.
Why are you surprised? Have you forgotten that we went to the same catechism class together and I came first?
Katawe, you were copying from me.
Look at me copying you. Look at you. You that was busy looking at what? You know how to just. I don't know how. You know we are new in this village. Aye. Ofuwa, where are you going? Come back, oh. We are not done with this particular penance. What type of stupid boy is this one?
Excuse me. Bonjour. 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 Hello.
What is it?
Take it easy with moi. Eh? Me English not too good. My name, je m'appelle Eto.
Eto?
Oui.
As in Eto Chuku?
No, me not Nigeria. Me from Cameroon. I just come this village new, find business.
So, you must be related to... what is that his name? Samuel Eto, the footballer.
Oui! Eto fils, relate, c'est moi. In English, Eto, cousin, uncle, brother, c'est moi.
Cousin, Samuel Eto.
Oui.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome.
You very pretty girl.
Thank you.
Yes. In Cameroon, we call your type ange du ciel.
Chai. Chineke mu we ka be gbe boko. No get economic. What does that mean?
Ange du ciel meaning angel from above.
Thank you.
Oui.
You will teach me French. I want to impress my French teacher.
Pas de problème. Pas de problème. Allons à ma maison. Oui, we go me house. We go me house, I teach you French.
You promise?
I promise. La maison. Allô? Allô, ma maison.
Oh man, Nigeria is so hard. So hard, man. If it was way back in America, it would be so cold. Now I can barely breathe. Oh, Mama.
So Kenechukwu, my daughter.
Mama, I told you that name is SK.
Oh, SK. Can you tell me the truth? I am your mother. All I want from you is the truth. I will even help you spread the news. Did you go to America? Or you are just deceiving the villagers?
Mama, don't you like my swagger? Don't you like how I live? How I move about? How I dress? You keep asking all these questions.
Listen, I won't tell anybody that you are lying. Eh? I will even help you spread the news that you went to America. Remember you told me you were going to Oketiti, which is my village. Or is Oketiti your own America?
Everyone is allowed to dream. When is it becoming a crime to dream?
You mean you're dreaming?
Don't wake me up, Mama.
You mean you are dreaming, eh? Eh? You have committed a crime.
Crime? What sort of crime now?
Under section 14A, subsection 4B of the Federal Constitution of the Bata,
which says that I did what?
You gave me bread without anything to quench my thirst. But I have come to collect my soft drink to quench my thirst from the bread you gave me.
Mama, what exactly did you say my American gun is? I'm gonna use it on this mad week. I'm gonna use the gun on her.
Did you say gun?
Yeah. Keep coming here to ask me questions about drink and red. I'm gonna use the gun on this mad week.
Guns were used during the First, Second, and Third World War, not for Equity Nigeria Limited.
Mama, you go get my gun.
Oh, duty calls. My driver awaits. I have to see you when I see you.
You better take your leave, you mad witch.
Kill her now. Kill her and go to jail.
I expected you to bring my American gun. I would have used it on her because she's a willing tester. I would have used the gun on her. You know, since I came back, I haven't seen anyone to use that gun on, and she's a qualified candidate for that gun. Hey, yo, where you going to? I'm gonna shoot your crazy ass now.
Mama, stop that rubbish.
Nah, Mama, you never want to do. You never want to too much. Oh, you want them. You see, you
have a woman. Ah, Genji, you talk at Angota.
So he has not ripped that gear because that is his talent. What type of boy is this? In fact, I'm going. You want me to suffer for your sins? When you were sleeping with that girl, did you call me? Now you want me to suffer for your sins? Let me just go to Amina's shop and eat.
My money is 320. Yes.
320 only.
Only 320.
Things are very cheap in this town. I hope you have this thing 1,000 naira change.
Okay. Even if you want 2,000 naira change, 5,000 naira change, I will give you my money.
What is that your name? I always forget it.
My name, Amina.
Amina. Yariya. You must be from the north.
No. I am a Yoruba girl. Oma Yoruba Dada.
I said it. You look like them. And do you know my mother is from Yoruba? And me, I speak Yoruba very, very well.
Oh, Dabe. Okay. Nibo iya etiwa.
No, you don't understand. I did not say that my mother is from Nibo. I say she's a Yoruba woman.
And I said, where? What part?
Okay, was that what you said? Not that I did not hear it, just that you were just fast forwarding the thing. She's from this place, Ezafia. Lokoja.
Lokoja. Oga, Lokoja is not a Yoruba state.
Are you sure?
Oga, Ejon to your own. Ejo. I do not have time for all this rubbish. Give me my money, let me go. I have other things to do. Kilo day.
Cool down. You see, when I was coming back from the farm, I saw these beggars. So I just gave them the 5,000 naira I was holding. So let me just rush to the ATM. I'll get money.
Lori Buruku, Ofelosi ATM. My friend, give me my money. We are not going anywhere. Give me my money. Let me go and do other things. Kilo day.
I said, let me go to the ATM and get money and give you.
Go serious, Rara. Pay me my money now. Let me go and do something else. In the name of God. Kilo shaver boy. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? What? Hey, Gamio! Why? Hey, Gamio!
So, if you want to tell my teacher that he's intelligent, that when I grew up, I'd like to be a teacher, how do I say that?
You say, professor intelligent. That's intelligent and teacher. Huh? Professor intelligent, or you say, vous êtes intelligent, which means you are very intelligent. That's say it, vous êtes intelligente.
Vous êtes
D'intelligente.
d'intelligent.
No, d'intelligent. See, you cannot learn French in one day. Eh? Me tired to teach you French. Huh? But if me teach you one more statement, you give me shot.
Shot.
Yes, shot.
What does that mean?
Shot meaning shot is
Yeah, God forbid. I've never done that before. I'm still a virgin.
What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? You pretend.
I am not pretending. I'm serious.
Come, baby. Me give you nice French words. I give you nice French back.
Baby, alone.
One more.
What's up? The cine yama.
What? Come on, get away from me. Come. What's wrong with you? Come, what did they worry you? What did they worry you? Why you come this guy down? I'm not
second show. What do you know? What do you like to buy? What do you this now? What do you this? What do you this now? What do you mean I'm mad?
Ikogo. Eh? See, you've started again, no? You have started again. It is this type of thing is what you did, and they chased us away from Joto. Eh? And you've started again, no? I'm warning you, Funwa. I'm warning you. Don't do what you do. These people will come and chase us away from this town, no? Eh?
Shift. Come on, face this side. Turn this side. Turn this way. Between two of you, who is Samuel Eto's brother? Huh? You don't want to speak? I said, who is Eto's brother?
Eto? No.
You're not saying anything?
No.
Eh?
No.
Who are you?
Susie Angola.
Ngozi?
Brother.
Among these two boys, who is Eto's brother? Who is Eto's brother now?
He's the one.
Which one now? Who? You Eto's brother?
Angolano.
Eto? Now what is your name?
Manucho.
Hey! Brother, oh! This is a fat liar. He lied. He speaks French. He told me he came from Cameroon. That his name is Emmanuel Eto. And his other brother's name is Samuel Eto.
No.
You're a liar.
Come. He said he came from Angola?
Angolano. Me boss Korea. Me work for English. CCS. Me work for boss from Korea. He send me and bring new stuff. We come your village, we take your cacao, we go, we country Angola, we make it chocolate.
Na kaimendia imoka.
You have cacao. That's why we come. Me, I bring this one. He just work for us for 2 years. Me, 6 years, we work for Korea boss. We come here take cacao, make it chocolate.
You work for Korea for 6 years?
Korea, 6 years I work. Me boss, this one just 2.
So you can speak Korea?
Sim.
I speak, let's hear.
Sun sai so. Sai bo wa, e tao na sai bo wa. O tao na sai so huai sai ya, sai do wa. What? Sin sai, su sai, sai so, sai ya. Me, you nice, how you say for?
Into what?
Sai so, he say, all of you village people receive us nice. Why this?
Na kaimendia imoka.
Yes. See, me don't know. No, say so.
Sing to us.
Say so.
Mutu ayaka.
Say so. Don't you see?
up, wake up. Wake up, Ekwe. Ekwe, I've told you several times. Eh? You don't have to lie down here. You don't have to be sleeping here. See, Ekwe, your condition is my concern. In due time, I'm going to find a solution to this. Okay? I don't want people to come out here and see you lying down here. It's not... I mean, please. Obi, stop crying. Please. Stop.
Tony, you can sing, go. Very soon, I won't be surprised if you come up with an album. Who is hissing? Is that my friend Ndidi? Ndidi, your friend has come to see you.
Friend, who is your friend, eh? Have you looked at me from head to toe? Do I look like I can be friends with a dirty, blind girl like you?
Didi, if this is one of your numerous jokes, stop it, oh. Stop it, I like Rokamia. I came to see you now. Ever since the incident at my house, and you got your healing and became normal. I haven't seen you now. You have not come to my house again.
Wait a minute. Are you implying that I was abnormal?
No. Yeah. Didi, Chelo, Tony, tell Ndidi that I cannot use that kind of word on somebody that is my friend. I only meant to say that for a friend of mine that comes steady. Because for somebody that has been my friend for...
Are you mad?
It is your useless dead mother and your whole family that is abnormal.
What's wrong with you? Eh? What are you doing now? What has she done to you?
Tony, please don't come into this. Don't even come into this matter.
Ndidi, what have I done to you? Ndidi, I thought you were my friend. I took you like my friend and my sister. You poured me water. You even had to remind me of my dead mother. Is it fair? I am fighting you on my leg.
Oh, you can go back.
Hey! Nene, because you know! Nene, because you! Nene!
Are you mad? Am I going to this?
I am not your type. Go and look for your type.
Sorry.
Tony, wait, let's
hold on. Sorry.
Strange things are...
Oluoma, please, I'm deeply sorry, okay, for what my sister did to you. You know, that was very mean and inhuman. I don't even really know what came into her. Yeah? I mean, she has been happy and very good to people since she got her healing. Yeah? I don't even know what came into her. That was very confusing. She's your best friend.
Tony, it's okay. It's okay. Don't bother yourself. I'm equally as confused as you are. Because Ndidi is more like a sister to me. But it's okay. I don't have strength to talk. I will see you later.
Oluoma, can I see you off to your house?
No. That won't be necessary.
Please, I insist. Or rather, just pretend as if you're not with me. But I must see you off to your house.
Please. Or I'm going to play a song that will suit your heart.
See her.
She smiles. She's smiling. I love that. Do you know what? You have the best smile on earth. The best smile that I've ever seen on earth. Chai. Chige Bugom. Chai.
I love music. It'll be good if you can play me a tune.
Okay. That means you've agreed to my proposal, right?
Equitox, Equichinti, Equicin Nigerian Limited.
Equitos, come and dance for us now.
Procrastination is a lazy man's apology.
I know.
It is a heart palpitating with unequivocal igbagaradu, which is the octopus viva vis of the compound interest.
Equitos, can't you talk without all this big English? I'm not even sure you know the meaning of this grammar. Just dance for us.
Equitos, dance a lingo for us.
It is the same methodology that the esophagus combines with the duodenum for a critical inference.
Gojo, Unyara.
Did you just mention catatonic?
You want to kill her?
One day you have a corpse on your head, you.
You unscrupulous, elementis, alien oriented. Always make sure you call me very early in the morning to avoid all these elements.
Please come tonight. Come and help me. Come and help. My child is dying. Oh, my child is dying tonight. My child is dying.
Was the mission strange things are happening? Who is she?
I guess this is what you are looking for.
Yes, Mama. Mama, give that to me. Please. I need to use it to save this boy's life.
No. No! I forbid you from risking your own life to save another.
Oh, Mama. We've been through this. Nothing will happen to me. I will not forgive you if anything happens to this boy. Give it to me now, Mama. Give it to me.
Okay, I'm here.
okay. I'm fine. I'm fine. Why are you looking like this?
No, don't worry. I'm fine. Have you been crying?
No, I've not been crying. But who is the young man with you?
His name is Tony. He's indeed his elder brother.
Ah. You are the son of Eukaria and Gabriel Onwasamba.
Yes, Nne. How did you know?
They were my friends. Okay, now let's go in. Come and tell me all about it. Your visit to your friend. Come. How did it go with your visit to your friend indeed? Mama. You won't believe what happened today. What happened? She treated me like an enemy. I don't understand. She insulted me and pushed me out of her house. Why? I don't know. I honestly don't know. I'm confused. It's as if something has gotten into her. She has changed. She has changed completely. I felt so humiliated. It's okay. It's okay, don't bother yourself. Maybe she was in a bad mood when you met her. It's okay. Now let me go and get you some food to eat. I'm not hungry. Mama, I've always wanted to ask you, what did you mean when you said the drum will bring me joy and sorrow?
Some Mama, where are you going dressed like masquerade like this? When will you change this American attire?
Mama, you just quit it. I'm going to see my boyfriend, Alfonso. Of course.
Hi, again?
What do you mean again?
I know what I mean. That's womanizer. I've warned you severally to leave that bastard, but you refused. I don't know what is your problem. Eh?
Mama mia, are you going to marry me? Are you going to marry me? Look, Mama, I got him. He's mine. I'm not losing him, so you better relax.
What's his attraction to you?
Oh, he says he's going to marry me. And then I can cook well.
You can cook?
Yeah.
The same food you cook with your money. Not as if he used to give you money to cook for him.
It don't matter much. He's my future husband. So I'm cooking for him. I even bought something for him from America, so I'm gonna give it to him.
Has he called you since you came back from America?
It don't matter much, Mama. He doesn't know I'm back. So I'm gonna go bring him a surprise visit. You know? He doesn't know I came back from the United States of America. So I'm gonna go see him. So I'm gonna see you later, Mama.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, I'm gonna see you. All right.
I don't kill you. You are killed. You are killed. You are killed. I don't kill you. I don't kill you. Who you want to? So you don't fear me again. Who you be? Who you be? Who you say? You are killed.
This guy has show. This guy no get Jesus for him mind. You know if he's a separate person.
We'll be up on local government. Very wicked boy.
Boy, today business no work.
Hey. Boy, but you strong.
Now what you the chop? What you the chop?
Take am easy, one break my neck.
You see my color now, see everywhere don't red.
Asante sana.
Come now. You know, I I said, wait. I don't kill this guy. What is the bed now? Wait, look at this guy. What is look at this small boy. What would not Amina. Yeah. Give me beer, make a drink. Okay. Add pepper soup, join.
Asante sana.
Don't worry, bye. Before you know you. Bye.
Hey!
Because I went to America? That's why you diverted your attention to my friend? You former?
America. Which America? And which of your friends?
I saw you kissing her now. Don't even deny it. Do not even deny it. Huh? Is she finer than me? Or she cook better than me? Or look, or she have booty better than me? My bum bum is better than her bum bum. So why?
Big bum bum. Yeah. Some Kenechuku. I'm expecting a visitor. Just come and go. I don't want her to come back from the market and meet you here.
You know my name. So, SK for short.
Okay, fine. SK.
I thought we were gonna get married, mi amigo. Mi amigo.
Ezuruonye! Me and you! Me and you marry! Did I ever tell you I was going to get married to you?
Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! I'm gonna faint here. I'm gonna faint.
Don't try it, oh.
Oh Lord!
Don't try. See, if you try it, I'll pour you hot water.
You pour me hot water?
Just leave my compound. Marry.
Alphonse!
Look for.
Alphonse! You have a call give me?
Yes.
You have a call give me? You have a call give me? What do you mean? You should find out me?
Who wants to marry you?
You should find out me? She does not have booty bigger than I have. What is that? Because I went to America. You wanna steal from my girl? You have a call give me? You have a call give me? Rubbish!
Correct. Oh boy, nice business. Oh boy, this is our pickpocket thing. Would they make them small?
I swear.
I tell you, how much do you own now?
17,500 naira.
75? My own 13 too.
You try now.
Yeah, so you go give me 2K now, I balance my own.
For waiting now. Make you use and go find a woman where you go rape.
Now for you.
I won't go see Amina. I go spend all this money for her head.
You won't go spend all for Amina head?
I feel spend anything on that girl. Thank God I get this kind of money.
Yeah, they go catch my own good time, man.
Which good time?
Good time.
Ofunwa.
Asante sana.
Because the only good time is cash and rape.
Sister,
You've been sitting here moody for hours. What's the problem?
Nigga, I feel like killing somebody. I feel like shooting somebody. I feel like stabbing somebody. Maybe I shouldn't have gone to America. I should have stayed back and guarded my precious Alfonso.
Alfonso?
Yes. What are you saying, Alfonso?
Sister, I thought you had something better disturbing you. Alfonso of all people. Sister, please.
Honey, he's my baby. I love him.
Sister, Alfonso is just using you for food and money, sister.
Nika, you work your mouth. You work your mouth real good. Because that man, I'm gonna cream you.
That guy does not deserve your love.
You mean? I'll fight you. I will really fight you. I will really fight you. I don't like what you're saying about my baby.
Sister, if you don't know, you are Alfonso's maga. He's using you as maga, sister. Eat your food, your money. Sister, please. That guy doesn't deserve you at all. Whatever you say. But I think it's time I tell you something. You don't know about it, but I think I have to tell you. What happened?
Thank you, baby. I've been following you for a very long time in this village. Asking you for one very small thing. Very small thing. Papa, let's get done with this one and move to the next one.
Are you okay at all, Alfonso? You're my elder sister's boyfriend, for goodness sake.
Jesus! Me? Is that what she told you?
It is not about what she told me, but about what it is.
Hey, no, now. Come to sweetheart. I can't date your sister, SK. Can't you see she's an imbecile? Yes! See, you know what, we don't have anything in common. We're just friends. Yes.
Then I think you should tell her.
No problem.
Because our heart beats for you and none other.
No problem. Anywhere I see SK in this village, I will tell her.
Story.
Trust me.
Story.
But, baby, allow me to hold you in my hand.
No, don't touch me, please.
Okay, fine. But let me treat you like my woman. See, anything you ask for, just... Yes, anything you ask for, I will give it to you.
You have malaria, you better go and treat it.
Malaria? For loving you, Abi?
SK darling.
I was going to your house.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Oh, that's coincidence then, because I was going to your house too when I met you.
Really?
Yes.
Let's go.
Food. Then let's go home.
Neka,
yes.
Go home. Mama has been looking for you since.
You don't mind that. No, I was trying to make sure she's going home.
That's what happened that day.
Yes, sister.
I'm gonna show him Pepe. I'm a mom. I'm gonna show him Pepe. I'm gonna deal with him. He think he can do that to me and get away? No, I don't think so. Me, I'm a star. Sembe in my yampe, I'm a star. Ain't nobody gonna do that to me. Yeah. No village boy like Alfonso. I'm gonna deal with him. We'll deal with him really good.
Sister, I'm really sorry. I'm sorry I didn't tell you all this while.
Oga, what are you doing?
I can't find my wallet.
Meaning?
Meaning I can't find my wallet.
See, Oga, I don't have time for this rubbish. What is it? Pay me my money, let me go and do other things. Kilo shay, no?
That is the money my father gave to me to give to his creditor.
That one, na your wahala. Just give me my money, let me go.
Now what's it happen now?
Don't mind this useless man. Can you imagine? Chop Nkwobi, pepper soup, isiewu. Drink all this one now to pay. In talk say, I forgot my money in my wallet and my wallet is at home.
Oh boy, wear your trouser pay am now. Now the thing will make you dey pull your trouser.
I swear I don't have any dime here.
You don't have a dime and you came and you took all these bottles there.
Pay me my money, make I come out here, job.
Leave all these stupid. Don't fall on my hand. Huh? You shouldn't be allowing this type of people to come here to drink now. You should allow only big boys like us to drink here. Huh? How much is the money?
2,700.
Oh boy, not only you take 2,007, you chop woman head. Huh? I mean, you think of this.
Thank you very much, sir.
Shut up, you!
God will bless you, sir. God will bless you. God will replenish.
Shut up! Get away from here.
God will replenish your pocket, sir. 1,000-fold.
Just go. Get away from. I don't want to see you here again, no.
Anybody that stole my wallet will never see any good thing in his life. In fact, his family will, in generation upon generation, will never say anything good. Anything good will never come to his family. In fact, the person will never die better.
Oh boy, come on! Sorry. Get away from here, idiot!
So, Father, that's how we now pick those man's pocket. And then I got 5.
Next person. Next person. Next person, please.
Your mother, my daughter, passed through a lot. She had the same gift as you do have. She was very popular, very kind-hearted. She wanted to heal everybody in this village at the detriment of her own life. Because each time she heals, her lifespan depreciates. I warned her, but she wouldn't listen. Until that fateful day.
I will not forgive you if anything happens to this boy. Give it to me now, Mama. Give it to me.
Let me get you water to drink.
Mama. No. Mama, promise me that the gift of healing will not leave this family. That Oluoma, my daughter, will continue from where I stopped.
No. I cannot make such promises. No. I cannot. You're breaking my hand. You're breaking my hand.
Mama, please.
No.
Mama.
No. Hey, Benny. Hey, no, don't do this to me. Oh my God.
my daughter. It's okay. Udalam, I don't want what happens to her to happen to you. In as much as she wants this gift to still continue in the family, but I object to it. I vehemently object to it. Because I think you are more powerful than us.
Who is she?
What do you mean by us?
I meant your mother. You see, I don't want what happened to her to happen to you. You are the only thing I have left. Udalam, be careful.
It's the flight. Who is she?
Who is that?
It's me, Tony.
Tony,
Yes?
how did you know you'd find me here?
Your grandmother told me.
Oh. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. How is Ndidi? I hope she's fine too.
Oh, she's fine.
Did she ask you to greet me?
Yes, she did.
Okay. Do you remember you owe me a song?
Yeah, I know. Actually, that's why I'm here. So can I play the song for you now?
Of course. Your melody would actually give me some inspiration with the herbs.
Okay, very well then. Oh,
Now you listen. Now you listen for the last time. I want my 10%. Yes. That is the only reason that will make me leave you. 10%. Yes. That's the huge amount of money. For an enormous bill like 10 naira. You're talking to Equity Nigeria Limited. Go and ask questions. Yes. All over the nation. All over the country. Yes. Do you know me? Do you know me? Do you?
The very first day I met you. The very first day I met you, I've been in love with you, but I always loving you. Obi mo, oyamamo, yati mo bigi, obi mo, oyamamo, oh, omaricha mo, obi mo, oyamamo, ahurum ginaya. I fell in love with you. The very first day I met you, I've been in love with you, but I always loving you. Obi mo, oyamamo, biati mo bigi, obi mo, oyamamo ibunke mo. I fell in love with you. The very first day I met you, I've been in love with you, but I always loving you. Obi mo, oyamamo. Obi mo, oyamamo, yenke mo. Obi mo, oyamamo. Biate mo bigi. Yenke mo. obi mo oyomamo asampete mo obi mo oyomamo yenke mo.
My friend, what is wrong with you? I said I want my own 10%. Look, you're making me talk too much. You're disturbing my peace. I have government officials to attend to, and you're wasting my time. I don't need all this. No, I don't need it. Okay, give me 9.5. Yes, that's where I'll go to. Listen, you're disturbing my limousine is waiting for me. Let me go, please. I don't.
That was so beautiful. A very deep song, I must say. You're a wonderful singer.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
You're welcome. Are you all right? From the texture of your voice, I can tell you're not happy. Have you been crying? Why would you even choose such an emotional song? It's depressing. Are you heartbroken?
I think I have to take my leave now.
What?
At least I've fulfilled my promise.
Oh, wait! Tony, wait! Don't go! Wait!
Bye.
No, but wait! Tony, did I say something wrong? I'm sorry if I did. Tony, I'm sorry.
Ubanuela, Adamu, Ayibo, Sapa sapeni sini yama. Wasama, the sini yama. Haijale kurabo, uzale
No, I cannot just go there. He's a madman.
Madman. But mad people can actually make sense at times. Yes. Eh? Let's just go and know why he's calling us.
Oh. No, I'm not going. I can't just go there. I'm not going.
Well, let's just go. Let's go.
What is it? Huh? Why are you running as if the village masquerade is after you?
He's a madman. He took our friend and ran away.
Where? Come on, show us.
No. We're not going anywhere. He will come for us.
Let's ask what will happen. Okay? We're off. Come. Hey! Come over there. Come.
Nonsense. You thought you and your brother can deal with me, eh? Who is the winner now? Eh? Who is the winner now? Nonsense. Rubbish.
Stand up, my friend. I say stand up. Hey.
Asante sana.
Hey. 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 Hey!
Ubanuela, Adamu, Ayibo, Sapa sapeni sini yama. Sini yama. Aijale kulama. Asante sana.
Sit down. Come back. Ofunwa, why did you scare me like that? I don't like it too.
There's problem.
Which problem? You always filled with problem. So what is it this time around?
Big problem.
Ofunwa, did you kill somebody?
Yes, as if you know why. I killed somebody. I killed somebody.
See, I don't have time for your jokes. Since you don't want to talk, let me go and continue what.
I said, come back. What is wrong with you? You look like I'm joking. How many years have you known me? Look at me now. Look at my eyes. Do I look like I'm joking? I said, I killed somebody. See, I don't know. How, just ordinary rape. Somebody will now die. I don't know. Sometimes it's as if, there's one external spiritual force controlling my destiny. And I don't know. I mean, if I go for confession now, what will I tell Father Matthew?
Hey!
That I did not only rape, but I killed somebody. What's it now?
Hey! Okay, Tata Ben. Come, Ofunwa. Are you sure nobody saw you?
Nobody saw me. It's a small rape. Why would she die? In fact.
Where are you going? Forget it. Come, you are not going anywhere.
Stay here. Now?
You are not going anywhere. You are not stepping away from here. I don't trust you. You can lap time no Buddha. If you step out of here, I don't know what to do again. So stay here. So that when you die,
I'm going straight to church.
You're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere.
I'm going to Father Matthew. I'm going for confession. Okay.
Ofunwa.
Ubanuela, Adamu,
Hey, babe, how far now?
I'm fine.
What's up?
I'm fine.
See, I tried calling on you the last time. Now you didn't answer me. Now I'm seeing you here. I'm surprised you even come to church.
Why are you calling on me? Why are you calling me? I've warned you. Stop disturbing me in this village. Stop following me around.
What?
I am newly married.
Leave that thing. Which one is your newly married?
Stop disturbing me,
Since I like you now.
Stop disturbing me. Like I see you are definitely. In fact, you work for devil.
Me?
Apprentice. See, get behind this, you devil. Don't stop me on my way again. Don't just.
But what is wrong with you now? What's wrong with you? I'm not the man to talk.
What's wrong with you?
What is it we're in church?
Don't you have respect for God?
What's this? Leave her alone. She's married.
Let's go.
Devil.
Ubanuela, Adamu,
Fell in love with you. The very first day I met you. I've been in love with you. But I always love you. Obimo, your mamo. Aurum ginanya. Obimo, your mamo. Yatimo bigi. Obimo, your mamo. Hey, asam petemo. Obimo, your mamo. Yenkemo. Obimo, your mamo. Yatimo bigi. Obimo, your mamo.
Tony! According to Encyclopedia Britannica, who is that lackadaisical dweeb that have come to distract my matrimonialism of my United Imobi?
Hey! Who swear?
Who is that lackadaisical dweeb that have come to distract the matrimonialism of my United Imobi? Hey! Who are you? Tony! Tony! Told you! Pay me my own! Pay me my guys! I've told you! I've told you! I've told you!
Sorry, okay? Sorry. Are you okay? Sorry.
Was that my friend, Ndidi?
No. It's my friend Equitos.
Oh. Is she okay? Because when she pushed me down and ran off, I felt a strange force. Something strange about her.
Are you psychic?
No, not really. Never mind. Tony.
I'm here.
Why did you leave like that?
I left that way because I wasn't just in a good mood.
Why?
I was just not in a good mood.
You can tell me. We're friends now, aren't we?
Okay. I'm going to take you to somewhere. Okay? So, come on, sit down.
That is how it happened, you know. This young man here raped my sister.
Me no rape.
Shut up!
Break your head now.
Ebuka, no. You've spoken like a very good leader of the youth. Young man, what's your name?
Manucho.
Manucho.
Come on, shut up. Yes. Me Angolano. Me come English not good, eh? So take anything I speak. Me come here with me friend. We come here, our courier boss. He send us here, come get a village cocoa, cacao, go Angolano, make chocolate. That's what, that's it, yes. Me courier boss, sai to.
What is he saying? Are you sure this man has not sold us for penny in this village?
No, we here business. We come to take cacao, cocoa, take country chocolate.
I wish you the same. Where are you from?
Angolano, we Angolano.
Where is that place?
Oh no. We have a way of proving innocence in this village. Let him swear to an oath to prove his innocence.
We no rape nothing. We no rape.
I don't care to know wherever you come from, whether Angola or Korea. By tomorrow, I will invite Ezuruonye here, and we will swear to Opakoto to prove your innocence.
Yes. Oh no, I support you.
The same to you.
The same to
She was the love of my life, the air I breathe. We were so much in love with each other. Obim, you man. You like it? See, I tell you, love is like a friendship. Always on fire. The first time on fire, the flame is so beautiful, burning. No. As we grow old, our hearts gets matured. And our love will be like an unquenchable love. See your shine now. Okay, I tell you what. Obi, my love for you will never die. Tell you.
So, what happened next?
On that fateful day,
Yeah, this is the most beautiful thing you've ever created, guys. This is the original from motherland. Obi, what is the matter?
I've told you to stop smoking this. I don't like it, but you would not listen.
Obi, this is what gives me inspiration for my music. Once I take this, songs, inspiration will start to racing each other in my brain. Hi, Obi. If you doubt me, come and taste. Obi, come now.
What happened? Nah.
Yeah, no. Confess. Yeah, no. Oh? That's good. Okay, see what I want you to do now. That's the flavor, man. That's the flavor. I do it.
No, Mba.
Don't just sip. You see this kind of inspiration is going to give you. Please, do okay.
No.
I know you don't want to do, but just me Charlie a small, not Charlie a not Charlie. Oh, me Charlie. Me Charlie. Miaya. I say inspiration.
Inspiration. I don't feel anything.
You don't feel anything? Shout Aire.
Aire.
Come on. Yeah, me Chalu small. Do Chalu. You're puffing it out now. Sink it.
But I don't feel anything. It's not doing anything to me. I don't. It's normal.
Are you sure you're okay?
It's normal.
Are you sure?
Let me look again.
You see? You're feeling it now.
Asante sana.
Original mama. Aire.
So, you used to smoke Igbo?
Yes, Oluoma, I used to smoke Igbo. And I was a dada.
But you don't smoke again?
No, God forbid, Oluoma. God forbid. Do you know how much crime, how much murder, criminal assault it causes some people, especially the youths? No, I don't do it anymore. It's a very bad thing. I don't.
So, what happened afterwards?
My love.
I told you I shared 1 billion gold.
I know you're feeling good right now.
I feel great.
Obin.
Look at you.
Obin, wait.
You're
What's wrong with you?
very handsome.
What's wrong with you?
Do you know, I told everybody in the village that I have money.
But you never told me. Obin, wait.
But I am
Are you okay?
telling you now.
Eh? Obin, are you okay?
Okay?
Are you okay?
Okay is the etymology of the cannabis that alters the central nervous system.
Obin, stop this thing you're doing. Are you okay? What's wrong with you?
What is this?
This is a shrine. The gods of the land is living there.
God?
Yeah, the gods of the land.
Obin, stop saying this. I've told you that I am the God.
Shh. Why you stop saying that?
No! There is no other God but me. Look at this. This is nothing. But do you know I feel like a God?
Obin, you put yourself in trouble. Stop saying that.
Like a God. Which trouble? For this?
This is a shrine.
Watch me.
Stop that!
Stop what?
Stop it!
No.
Do you want to kill yourself?
You should tell me this should bow to me. Come on, bow to me. Bow to me. Bow to me.
Hey! Stop it! Stop!
It's nothing. Can't say this is anything. Look at it.
This thing is going to kill you. Stop it! This is the ghost of the land. Stop it! Stop this thing, please. Stop it.
Do nothing.
I made her mad. I will never forgive myself. I could sacrifice myself to bring her back to normal.
It's okay. Don't be too hard on yourself. Can you come with her to my house tomorrow?
Why?
I just want to be friends with her.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure of her. Because the last time she saw you, she became very aggressive.
Well, maybe that's her way of telling me she wants to be friends with me.
Ofunwa, are you mad?
You said, are you mad?
Alayebagogi.
Get out.
What do you mean you will take the oath?
What's your business if I take the oath? What's your business?
It is my business because I am your friend, your best friend. In fact, your only friend. I don't even know if I will be affected if you take the oath.
Guy, cool down. You too fear. That's my problem with you. You are a coward. You too fear. What did they worry you? Nothing will happen if I take that oath. What's it? Just because of one small normal rape I did. Something will happen. Nothing will happen, I beg.
Ofunwa, this is not all about rape, oh. I'm warning you now. It's not all about rape. It's all about justice. It's all about the tradition. It's all about innocence. I'm warning you. They don't play with the oath, oh. Let us leave this town before it's too late.
My wife.
Hey!
You left my wife?
Hey!
You left my wife?
Wait.
Yo, balẹ̀ mi o, wọ́n máa gbà ẹ̀ wọ́n máa já gbogbo ojú ẹ̀ máa já gbogbo ojú ẹ̀ máa tún gbà ẹ̀ lọ́rùn kan máa sẹ́ńgò ló ṣe àbí wọ́n lè lọ́ba lọ. àbí kò ṣe ọba lu ẹ ṣàìsọ ṣàìtàyà sóńjà ẹ ṣàìsọ wa ìtàwọn ṣètò wa ìtùmọ̀ ẹ̀ka. This animal here. This animal here, that's my wife.
Yes, I'm my wife.
I could go on now, I'm going to the again. Rape. So far. Me rape. To if I hear him, what again? You idiot. Happen there. Do you know that this idiot raped to go today? And we took this idiot to know who. He denied it. I don't know who said that. He is going to swear tomorrow.
You people, this country not good. This village not good. Country good, village not good. See, Angola, we treat visitors very nice. You people, we come, you treat us bad in village. Why? Just because we want cocoa for chocolate.
Tomorrow? Yes. It's liberty. What if this idiot runs away? Who?
My husband.
He cannot run away. All the youth in this village are on guard. What? All this that he's speaking. It is the language of the gods.
Please, leave him. He's going to be on your head, please.
Leave him.
You don't have to, please. Let's go.
Even if you survive the lot of Makoto, I'll personally hunt you down.
Ofunwa.
What problem?
Hey! Ofunwa. What is wrong with you? 2 rapes in one day. Ofunwa.
You on guard.
You are finished.
You on guard.
You are finished, oh. This boy has killed me in this village, oh.
You on guard.
Hey! Hey! Ejinandro! I am finished in this stuff.
She wanted to heal everybody in this village at the detriment of her own life. Because each time she heals, her lifespan depreciates. I warned her, but she wouldn't listen. I don't want what happens to her to happen to you. In as much as she wants this gift to still continue in the family, but I object to it.
I made her mad.
Who is she?
I will never forgive myself.
Who is she?
I could sacrifice myself to bring her back to life.
This innocent space,
and darkness takes the flight. Who is she? Who is she?
No! No! Why would you bring me here? No! No! I don't want to be here. Why? Let's go. Why? No! How could you digress from our sealed, signed, and delivered agreement? Do you know me? I have a will. You don't know me. I have a will. I have a will. I said no! No, 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 I am leaving.
Don't worry.
No!
Don't introduce you to your friend, okay?
No!
Let's go. I know you have a will. Don't
No!
worry.
Tony. Tony. Come. I knew it. I knew it. I knew you would bring me to this. And who is this? Look, I'm talking good business here. Who are you? Why did you? Stanley! Stanley, the drum! Bring the drum! What? Give me the drum! Give the drum! Stanley! What is this?
Who is she? Was the mission? Strange things are happening.
Hey, what's happening here?
Tony. Robin, why am I just like this?
Can you recognize me?
Where am I?
Yuki,
What happened to me?
this is a miracle.
Tony. What's happening? What am I doing here?
Yuki, this is... Yuki!
What's wrong?
Oluoma.
Who is she? Was the mission? Strange things are happening. Who is she? Who is she? In the shadows we sound this innocent space, and darkness takes the flight. Who is she? Who is she?
Udalam. Udalam. Why are you crying?
You're back.
Yes, I'm back. What is it?
I am confused.
Confused? Your body is hot. You are running temperature. Are you sick? Eh?
No.
What is it?
I'm not sick, I am, Mama.
Hmm?
I'm just hungry.
Okay. If you're hungry, let's go. I'll give you something to eat.
Oh, look on it. Wash your hands here. Young man, wash your hands here. What's up? Iyerioba.
Asante sana.
Young man, do you still want to take this oath? Life, they say, is more precious than silver and gold. I'm ready. I'm ready. Hey! Ono sisi betisi. Ebebi isi belu monu. In 2 Afro-market days, if nothing happens to him, then he is innocent. I have spoken as directed by the gods. Young man, you may now go.
Saisowa.
We go.
Saisowa.
We go.
Saisowa. Ocho.
Sapasa peni sini yama. Wasama. The sini yama. Haijale kurabo. What's happened there? Uzale Asante sana.
Ofunwa, wake up now. Ofunwa, wake up now. Ofunwa. 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 Hey! Ofunwa is dead. Ofunwa. Hey! Hey, this oracle has killed Ofunwa. Hey! Ofunwa, I warned you. I warned you. You did not want to listen to me. I told you that if anybody is guilty, he doesn't swear the oath. You did not listen to me. You went and swore the oath. Now the oracle has killed you, Ofunwa. And you don't have any money. No wife, no children. And then the 2,300 naira you are owing me, you died with it, Ofunwa. Ofunwa.
think I'll run away from this village before this oracle will come and kill me. I'll run away. This oracle has started taking effect on Msonwu. Goodbye, my friend. Goodbye. We'll meet to part no more. Goodbye, Msonwu. Bye-bye.
Up there! Move, I kill you.
Don't kill me! Don't kill me, please! Please! I know you are not Msonwu. I know you are the oracle. See, excuse me, sir. I want the Msonwu. I want him. I told him rape is very bad. He did not want to listen to me. He went on raping everybody in this village. Me, I swear with my mother. I've never raped anybody. Sorry.
Are you amongst the thieves in this village?
Huh? Yes.
Your friend, Msonwu. Have you stolen from him before?
Yes, I've stolen from him. Don't give me, please. Don't give me.
What did you steal from him?
I stole his necklace.
What?
His necklace. Please don't kill me. Don't kill me.
You move.
Don't kill me. Don't kill me.
What necklace?
His necklace now.
His necklace.
Yes.
Where is it?
I gave it to Amina. I used it to do treasure for her.
What's your problem? Wait. What? So you're not dead. So you gave up my chain, eh? You stole that chain from me. Don't like that on me.
You're playing on me. Come here.
I'll stop you. Come here.
How about you stole it from me before? How about you stole it from me?
Why did you stop me?
Why did you do me that kind of stuff?
I'm going to my necklace. I'm going to give you.
What did you do? Come here. Go police you. Come here. Get away. You idiot. You how about you stole it from me?
Go get my necklace. Go get my necklace.
Idiot. Let's go out the water. I ain't going to soup. I'm here water. Yeah. This type of stuff you tell me, I must regret. Leave me alone.
Oluoma, do you want to kill yourself? You want what happened to your mother to happen to you too? Okay?
No. I am very sorry. It's just that I had pity for Tony. What he feels for that girl is nothing but absolute true love. It's just a pity that I cannot experience such in my lifetime.
Udana. You will. You definitely will. You're a special child. A very pretty woman. You will.
My mother, when I was little, my mother used to say that I am a special child.
Yes, you are. You are. Very soon, in no distant time, people will realize how special you are.
But until then, Odalam. Ezigbo, until then, please, stay away from that drum. Biko. Are you sleeping? Catch you for. Okay.
Strange things are happening. Who is she? Who is she? In the shadows we hear sounds. As innocent space, and darkness takes the flight. Who is she? Who is she?
Oh,
yes, we are there. I should be the one thanking you for what you've done for me. I should be the one thanking you. Because you don't even know what you've done for me. You brought joy back to my life. I thank you very much. I have neither gold nor silver. That's why I brought you this.
You brought me again. Chalupa.
Oh, boy.
Eh? Oh, boy. Tony. Hey, Tony, Mama, boy. Hi. Dalo. Tony. Can I do it again?
I'll teach you how to play it.
Thank you.
It's only God that will reward you abundantly.
Amen. Amen.
I'll take my leave now.
Stay well, eh?
You will only see sympathy from people because you're blind. You better think again. You see, Tony? Better stay away from Tony. If I catch you near Tony, you will see what I will do. Better go and look for those physically challenged, physically aggravated quaker like you and stay away from my Tony. Listen to me. If I catch you near Tony, I am going to kill you. I will kill you.
And darkness takes the flight. Who is she?